Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to withdraw from your account at the Headway broker using the TRC20 tether method. As you saw in the previous tutorial, we funded our account using this method and now we intend to withdraw this balance. We are on the main page of our user account, and to make a withdrawal we need to go to the finance section from the left panel. In the finance page, you need to go to the withdrawal section. And in the first part, you select the account or wallet you want to withdraw from. In the next section, you select the desired currency, which is Tether on the TRC20 network. And as you can see, the minimum withdrawal amount for this method is $10. In this section, you enter the amount you want to withdraw. And in this section, you enter your TRC20 wallet address. After entering the address, as you can see, the fee for this withdrawal is 0%, and its processing time is about 15 minutes. You click on the withdrawal option and a code has been sent to your email that you need to enter in this section to confirm the withdrawal. After entering the code, you click on Continue. As you can see, your withdrawal request has been successfully registered. To view the details of this transaction, you can go to the Finance section from the left menu and enter the Transaction History section to see the details of your withdrawal in full. After registering the withdrawal request, as you can see, an email is sent to your address, requesting you to confirm that this wallet address belongs to you with a screenshot. You need to send this email with this information to this email address for your withdrawal request to be approved. Verify that this address belongs to you with a screenshot of your wallet address. You can also share the information requested from you with the support team in the live chat section. This information is needed to prove that the provided wallet address belongs to you. And after this is confirmed by the support team, as you can see, your withdrawal operation was successfully completed after a few hours. Stay tuned for more tutorials on this broker. Goodbye.